Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to install, for example, Google Lens, that is cool AI app from Play Store. So I'm going to search here Google Lens. And I am going to show you how to search items using this app, and we are going to use my earphones. So here we have to click open. We have to give the permission to camera, and now look, we have to aim on our item like this, and when you do this we have to click right here in this circle, and as you can see it searched it that this is Apple AirPods Pro, and it's right. And you can also use, for example, ChatGPT to search items like this, but I think it's the best app to do it. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.